Hi, I'm Michael Minnock, and let me show you why I created Catchphrase. So these agent systems that we're using are magical. It really is incredible what they can do. But if you're trying to ask questions over an SQL database, well, the problem is hallucinations. You might type a question, and even the best systems, the top of the leaderboard systems, well, they can generate SQL for whatever question you ask about 98% of the time. However, even these best ones generate the correct SQL only about 80% of the time. So that is about a 10 to 15% hallucination rate. And for mission critical applications, that's completely unacceptable. Let me show you a quick demo.
Could you please help me get access to the ticket database from Claude Desktop?
So the boss wants to access one of our internal databases, this ticket database, and he wants to do it from Claude Desktop. So the first thing we do is we have the database, then we run Catchphrase. Catchphrase connects to the database. The database is not exposed to the world. Catchphrase then advertises an MCP server. And here we see the configuration in the boss's Claude where the ticket database is present. So what happens now? The boss asked a very quick question. How many events are there in the ticket database? There are about 9,000 events in there. But what happens next then is that now the boss is going to ask a more specific question. What are the 3 highest price per ticket listings for events in Royce Hall? So the boss is really drilling down into the data now, getting some very specific facts. What's unique about Catchphrase is that if Catchphrase answers the question, then we know it interpreted it correctly. This has to do with the theory of semantic tractability, which is what Catchphrase is based upon. So these 3 listings are the highest price listings for Royce Hall. And this certainty, this fact that when the answer comes back, the boss can be certain that there wasn't any hallucination, this makes the boss happy. There's the happy boss. So Catchphrase involves a lot of other type of capabilities. For instance, Catchphrase can support update queries. And this is extremely important that we have no hallucination when we're actually altering the database. So Catchphrase is unique in being able to handle that hallucination-free. Catchphrase also has a capability where it can build up a whole set of prompt templates so that you can configure something on the back end that will compose from your data prompts that then you can send out to the model. So it's very, very flexible capability. Finally, there's an ability to have huge question sets that the boss can execute in bulk and get back a report. So things like checking for the integrity of the database or getting a report about what's going on in the organization. A huge set of questions can be applied at once, and then one single report comes back. So we're excited about Catchphrase, and we hope that you can find some good uses for Catchphrase inside of your organization. And we would love to hear about your ideas and how Catchphrase can help you. Okay, so please book a meeting. All right, thank you very much.